Today we are at this beautiful home in Irwin installing Expel's Clearview Alloy 40 on almost every single window in the house. This is a customer that's been with us for a long time at Blackout, and this is actually the second home that he's had tinted. The customer and his wife have only been in this house for about a month, but this was at the top of their priority list to not only cut down on heat, but protect their hardwood floors and the furnishings they're moving in.
So we just finished up the tint here at our current place. This is roughly 20 years old, and we noticed a big benefit previously with window tint at our old house. Reductions of heat coming in the front windows, especially where the sun set on the front of the house, stuff like that. So we knew pretty quickly we were going to want that done at the new house as well. Especially after we moved in here, we noted the blinds and some things in the basement that had actually been damaged from the UV rays from the sun. Literally, those creeping in your windows, they can damage carpets, blinds, hardwood floors, stuff like that. We wanted to protect all that stuff going forward. Really a big testament for Expel films and Blackout tinting, the excellent quality of installation. Very happy with how it all turned out. I've mentioned it a couple times, always a nice and visible install. So you get a really nice product that doesn't look like you've visibly done anything, but it's going to protect for years to come. It's going to lower air conditioning costs, all the good stuff.